Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on lesson 12.8, units of time. Some analog clocks have an hour hand, a minute hand, and a second hand. There are 60 seconds in a minute. The second hand makes one full turn every minute. So it goes around once every minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour. The minute hand makes one full turn every hour. So the minute hand goes around once every hour. As you can see, here are the hands. We have the hour hand, which is the smaller hand, the minute hand, and the second hand. The hour hand makes one full turn every 12 hours. You can think of the clock as unrolling to become a number line. So we have the hours. We know it goes from 0 to 12. The hour hand moves from one number to the next in 1 hour. So it moves from one to the next every hour. Minutes. The minute hand moves from one number to the next in 5 minutes. That means we're going to count by fives. So if you look at the clock, each number, as we go down to each number, we're counting by fives, all the way up to 60. So using this table at the right to change between units of time. So this is going to be our helpful table that we're going to need to use. 1 hour equals 60 minutes, or 60 times 60 seconds, or 3,600 seconds. So 1 hour is 3,600 times as long as 1 second. 1 day is 24 hours. So 3 days equals 3 times 24 hours, or 72 hours. 1 year equals 12 months. So 5 years equals 5 times 12 months, or 60 months. Let's try some problems together. We're going to use this table to help us complete the questions. Number 1, 3 hours equals blank minutes. So we're going to need to use our table to see 1 hour equals 60 minutes. To get from 1 hour to 3 hours, we know we need to multiply by 3. Whatever I do on this side of the equal sign, I need to do on the other. So I'm going to multiply 60 times 3, which equals 180. So 3 hours equals 180 minutes. Number 2, 2 years equals blank weeks. Going to look at my chart for years and weeks. I know 1 year equals 52 weeks. So, how did I get from 1 year to 2 years? I multiplied by 2. So, whatever I do on this side of the equal sign, I'm also going to do on the other. So I'm going to multiply 52 times 2, which equals 104. So 2 years equals 104 weeks. Let's keep going. Number 3, 6 days equals blank hours. I know 1 day equals 24 hours, so I need to multiply that by 6. 24 hours times 6 equals 144. So 6 days equals 144 hours. Number 4, 5 weeks equals blank days. I know 1 week equals 7 days. I can multiply 1 times 5 to get 5 weeks. I also need to multiply 7 times 5, which gives me 35. 5 weeks equals 35 days. Let's keep going. Number 5. 8 minutes equals blank seconds. I know 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So I can multiply 1 times 8 to get 8. I'm going to do the same on the other side. 60 times 8 equals 480. Remember, 6 times 8 is 48, and bring down the 0. So 8 minutes equals 480 seconds. And finally, number 6. 7 years equals blank months. I know 1 year equals 12 months. I'm going to multiply that by 7 to get 7 years. 7 times 12 equals 84. So 7 years equals 84 months. Be sure to if you have any questions, be sure to ask your teacher.